forest during the pandemic. It's a story of environmental migration, but it's it's centered around two protagonists who are lovers, friends, whatever you want to take out of it. So here goes. Khajur. We were born into the collapse, into the slow crumbling of a world we thought would last forever, into the thirst, the cracked earth, the brittle air that tasted like dust, into the waiting for rain that never came. Jalnagar, they said, used to be an oasis, but now it's just a village dying under the weight of its own breath. Water rationed like hope, spilled more in anger than in love, and in the middle of it all, a girl named Noor and a boy named Usman. Two fragile threads woven in the unraveling. She found him at the tank, lost in line, scolded for asking too much, like we hadn't all been asking for too much of water our whole lives. He didn't say much at first. He was just led to the factory, the dead place, by her. The one the elders spoke of in whispers. A rusting carcass of what could have been, but the pipe still sang if you listened. Carrying a trickle of life if you knew where to put your ears. And Noor knew. Noor always knew. She left rice for the birds, some fallen leaves and some seeds. Little offerings in a world that forgot how to give. And when Usman started leaving dates, a simple khajur, for her, they didn't need words to speak anymore. The exchange was enough. A brittle kind of love, a fragile rebellion against thirst. But Jalnagar was collapsing. And when water turns to dust, men turn to war. Violence spilled like rain we hadn't seen in years. Blood flooding the streets, drowning us in our own hunger. Noor and Usman ran to rooftops, to places that the war couldn't reach, and for a moment, they found peace in the eye of the storm. For a moment, they held on to each other, like the world beneath them wasn't falling apart. But you can't hold on to moments. You can't stop the collapse with just a touch or love. Then came the explosion, like thunder, and Noor, she ran. She ran through the streets that used to be her home, through the wreckage of a life she no longer recognized. Back to the factory, to the place where it all began. And there he was, Usman. A single khajur in his hand, a final offering in a world too far gone. They had to part ways, away from their village, the war, and their lives. She was pulled away, ripped from his sight, and the last thing she saw was the date, the khajur, falling from his hand like the last drop of water in Jalnagar. 50 years later, the factory still stands now, surrounded by the brown and green of date trees, by the ghosts of what once was. We were born into this collapse, and we live in the memory of it. Maybe in another time, in another Jalnagar, there exists a Noor and Usman and a happily ever after. Maybe. Thank you.